What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing wheel spacers on my 2013 F150. I just got done lifting it. I had a 3-inch level, 3-inch in the front and an inch in the back. So I got these off Amazon. It's 1.5 inch aluminum ones. I think they went for 140, shipped here to Guam. Quality's pretty good. It's a lot cheaper than or less expensive than some other brands, which are like $200–300. So yeah, I can say I saved myself 150 bucks. So inside the box comes with the spacers. There's 4 of them. There's instructions. Pretty simple, just like putting on another set of wheels. And it comes with some thread locker. Red, looks like the red thread locker. 2 bottles. Alright, so let's go with the install. So these are the tools that I'll be using. Just a torque wrench and some impact drivers. 21mm for the stock lug nuts, and I believe these are 19mm lug nuts. They go to your stock lug nuts. So, take this plastic off. Oh yeah. So it's a 19. I also used some anti-seize and a wire brush. That's to clean the mating surface. And I also forgot to mention that you need a jack and a couple jack stands. Here's a walkaround. This is the stock clearance. It's probably an inch in the sidewall from the upper control arm, and on the finished side, the spacer, it's probably a good 2.5 inches or more, maybe 3, almost 3 inches of clearance. Now I can run the 12.5. So this is the last wheel I'll be doing. I just finished all 3. This is the one that I'll record. So after you jack up the side, remove the tires. This is a 21mm. Okay, after you remove the tire, if you got rust, it's a good time to clean it up. I have a wire brush, so I'm just gonna clean it up with this. One moment, let me get my COVID mask. Alright, here we go. We heal as one. Now you don't want to be breathing this rust. So, good to have some protection. Dust it off with another brush. All right. Let's hang this up. So now, remove these bolts, these lug nuts. So I'm going to apply some anti-seize on the mating surface, just so it's easier to come off when you want to remove it. Quick. Bead along the warp. Yeah. It's good if you have a brush. There's no brush. Where did that brush go? Where did the brush go? The brush. Alright, so I found my brush. Just gotta paint it on. Paint it on all over the backside. some around the bore. Some bore. Okay. And just snap it on. Shoot, forgot I gotta put some thread locker. Line it up. This is still the first model. You don't need to use much. This is probably too much also. Alright. On. Get the lug nuts. Start it off with your hands. Finish it off with your ratchet or this impact driver. Crisscross pattern whenever you're doing the lug nuts. For that one. Okay, so it's time to torque it down. I'm using a torque wrench with a set at 150 foot-pounds. If the hub spins on you, you can use a screwdriver, or I'm using a pin punch. Stick it in here so it'll hold it down. Crisscross pattern. Double check everything. Never be too safe. Alright. Now it's time to put the wheel back on. So I'm torquing it down also with 150.
I told you once, but I know you got to let it go. You got to let it go.
Not bad at all. front view. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. I'll be putting on 35s on here. So stay tuned. Thank you.